He had everything: money, power, success. But Michael felt empty inside. One morning, he made a decision that would change his life forever. He walked away from his office, his expensive suit, and stepped into the street as nobody. Michael wanted to understand something. He wanted to see the world differently. He wore old clothes and carried nothing. He became invisible to everyone. People passed him without looking. Some turned away. Others looked at him with cold eyes. Then he saw someone from his past, Sarah, his former girlfriend from college. She was with James, an old classmate. They saw him and laughed quietly. James whispered something to Sarah. They crossed the street to avoid him. It hurt deeply. Michael sat on a bench. His heart felt heavy. Was this how people really were? Then a young woman stopped in front of him. Her clothes were simple and worn. Her name was Emma. She worked 3 jobs to support her family in a small village nearby. Emma looked at Michael with kind eyes. She smiled warmly, like he was someone. She reached into her pocket and pulled out a small amount of money. It was everything she had for that day. She placed it gently in his hand and said quietly, "I hope this helps you today. Everyone deserves kindness. Please take care." Michael felt something break inside him. Not pain, something beautiful and new. He looked into her eyes and saw something rare, a pure heart that gave without expecting. They began to talk. Emma shared her dreams, her struggles, her simple hopes. Michael shared his thoughts too, carefully, without revealing his real identity. Days turned into weeks. They met often. Emma never asked for anything. She just gave her time. Michael fell in love, not with her beauty, but with who she was inside. Emma felt something too. This man with nothing made her heart feel complete. One evening, Michael asked Emma if she would build a life with him. She said yes without fear. Emma told her mother about Michael. Her mother was worried but trusted her. But Emma's older sister, Lisa, had seen Michael in town, dressed as he was now. Lisa told their mother that Michael had nothing. She said Emma was making a terrible mistake. Their mother felt torn. She wanted Emma to be safe and have a good future. Another man had offered money to marry Emma. He was not kind, but he had wealth. The family pressure grew stronger. Emma cried but stayed firm. She loved Michael completely. Michael saw Emma's pain. He made a difficult choice. He had to tell the truth. He arrived at Emma's home wearing his real clothes. He looked different now. He explained everything: his position, his wealth, his journey to understand human hearts. Emma's family stood silent, shocked. Lisa looked embarrassed. Her mother cried, but Emma did something unexpected. She looked sad, not happy about his wealth. She asked Michael one question. "Did you love me when I thought you had nothing to give me?" Michael took her hands. "Yes, I loved you because you saw me when I was invisible. You gave everything when I appeared to have nothing. That is real love, Emma." Emma smiled through her tears. "Then I still love you. Not for what you have, but for who you are." They married quietly in the village. No expensive ceremony, just 2 pure hearts. Together, they used Michael's resources to help others who struggled like Emma had. They built schools, created jobs, and gave people hope. But most importantly, they gave respect. Michael learned that true wealth is not money. It's having a heart that sees others. And Emma learned that real love does not need riches. It needs only truth and kindness. If this story touched your heart and helped you learn English in a meaningful way, please show your support. Like this video to help others discover it. Subscribe to continue learning with stories that inspire. Share your thoughts in the comments about what this story means to you. And share this video with someone who needs hope today. Together we learn. Together we grow. Thank you for being here.